How much time do you lose every day answering small, repetitive customer questions? Questions like, what are your hours? Where are you located? Do you have availability today? How do I reschedule? Do you offer this service? Right? I know y'all feel me. They don't feel big individually, but added together, they drain your day piece by piece. I used to be sick of it, right? And most entrepreneurs don't realize how much this slows them down until they remove it, right?
At Applewhite Intelligence, we believe automation is the key to freedom. Automate more, live more.
Your business gets messages, right? Customers want quick information, and people prefer instant answers. But you can't respond instantly to everyone, right? So the result is predictable. Customers wait too long, they get frustrated, or they move on. Therefore, your customer experience suffers. Not because you don't care, right? But because you're human and you simply don't have the time to answer everything all day long. You got business to handle, right? Statistics prove how important responsiveness is. 90% of customers expect an immediate response from a business, especially during business hours, right? Businesses that reply fast get up to 3 times higher customer satisfaction scores, right? And companies that deliver immediate answers see up to a 35% increase in repeat purchases, right? See, customer experience isn't just service, it's retention, it's loyalty, and it's reputation, right? Let me give you a real story. A client of mine named Danielle runs a busy med spa, right? Her biggest challenge wasn't getting customers, right? People love med spas. It was keeping up with the constant calls, right? People asked about hours, directions, prices, aftercare, appointment times, everything, right? She told me, I'm constantly stopping what I'm doing just to answer tiny questions, right? And if I don't answer, customers show up with an attitude because they couldn't find the place, right? And she was right. She wasn't growing because she was too busy being the front desk. It's hard to be the owner in the front desk. Some of you know that, right? Her business had strong demand. It had loyal customers. It had a great service menu. But too much of her time was being consumed by questions that didn't require expertise, right? So she was spending more time on support than on revenue producing tasks, right? So we installed the voice AI as her customer experience assistant, right? Now when customers call, they get instant answers. They hear a warm greeting. They can ask questions in their own words. They can get prices, directions, availability, policy details, and even reschedule appointments, right? Without Danielle ever even having to answer the phone. And the AI handles it all just like a trained employee because it is. The result? Her inbound call time dropped 63% in the first month. And her customers reported a massive improvement in satisfaction because they finally received the instant support that they wanted and that they deserved, right? That's the power of customer experience AI assistant, right? It becomes the first point of contact for your business. It helps your customers fast, consistently, and at any hour, no matter what time they call. And I want to walk you through exactly how to implement this in your business, right? Y'all ready? Step number 1, identifying your most common customer questions. What are the FAQs? Every business has them. Your AI should know those first, right? The second step is training your AI on your business information. What are your hours, your service descriptions? What's the directions, the price ranges, right? The policies, right? And anything your customers frequently ask you about. The third step is teaching your AI how to speak, right? See, you want a tone that mirrors your brand. Are you a serious brand? Are you super professional? Is it friendly? Is it warm? Is it patient, right? You want your AI to reflect that. The fourth step is setting up call routing, right? When someone calls and needs a human, your AI should know who to transfer to and when. The fifth step is integrating your calendar, right? If your business allows scheduling or rescheduling, your AI should be able to handle that without you, right? The sixth step is adding follow-up messages. See, when a call ends, your AI can send directions, policies, prices, or the booking link instantly. The seventh step is reviewing the calls and improving answers, right? Just like a real employee, your AI gets better the more you train it, right? See, this is exactly how I run large parts of my customer experience, right? And for that, my entire system is GoHighLevel. For all of it, right? The voice AI system acts like a full-time customer support assistant that answers instantly, right? It handles questions, routes calls, and provides detailed information with zero effort on your part, right? And if you want to experience this inside your business, I have something that's incredibly valuable for you today. You can sign up directly below with my link, right? When you sign up through my link, you receive the complete GoHighLevel beginner launch package, right? With that link, you get a free 30-day trial of GoHighLevel, full access to every feature, including the AI assistant, for free, right? You get the live bootcamp where instructors walk you through every tool step by step, right? You get a done-for-you snapshot with pre-built workflows, pipelines, pages, and automation. You get a ready-to-launch funnel/website that captures leads instantly, right? You get the lead generation playbook showing you where to get customers and how to convert them fast. You get the 5-day challenge guiding you through every step, every setup, right? You get the SaaSpreneur playbook showing you how to build automated recurring revenue systems easily. And you get access to the live Zoom classroom where you can ask questions and get real-time support every day, anytime you need it, right? And on top of all of that, you get the quick win automation tools, missed call text back, Google messaging, review automation, the mobile app, and more, right? See, this is everything you need, the tools, the training, the systems, and the support to build automation into your business fast, right? And all you got to do is click on that link below and sign up, right? I'm Applewhite, and this is Applewhite Intelligence, teaching you how to save time, scale smarter, and automate your entire business. Peace, y'all. Oh, the link is below.